happen here is we're going to paint this plywood black, a real dark smoky color.
Yeah.
And put this old wood on. So when there's cracks behind that old wood, it'll be black.
Oh, sure.
So it'll be like, it'll look like
yeah.
gold.
Like it was supposed to be? Mom and Dad's bedroom. That's a shower. This may be the bathroom. That's a shower in there. No, this is a sink. Yep. No, that's the bathroom right there. So, oh, that must be the closet. Wow. Big closet. Okay, heading back to the great room.
So the sheetrock aren't starting till Wednesday morning now, but that's okay.
Got it.
They can hang that stuff so fast.
We're going to clean up those trees, trim them up, take some out. Walking in here, kitchen table, little table there. This will be the kitchen, center island. This is the porch. Walk out here to the deck. Down there is the screened-in porch. It's where they were thinking about putting the TV. So again, we're gonna plug that up and just make that a complete chimney. Room, mudroom. This is the open room, bonus room. Really cool the way it worked out. But it's big room. Fun room. It's gonna be cool. Bathroom up here for it too. Big sleepovers, I guess. Back down. Steps. Right to the basement. Go right out here into the screened-in porch area with the screens that go up and down. Here'll be a place a little kitchen area. Or a little kitchen area over here, ice and water. A little area here to, I don't know what that is. This will be a place we can hang all of our wet stuff, change our clothes, do whatever, come in from cross-country skiing. Here'll be a full bathroom with a nice shower. Come in here and this will be the game room area. Game room. Here will be the TV over there, I think. Nice area it'll be looking out on the lake and stuff, but carpet this area. Kids' bedroom. Kids' bathroom, kids' bedroom, this is where all the furnace stuff is. All those things. Bedroom. Bedroom. You guys think this is pretty crazy? This is going to be this is the area that we need to drop in. Look how deep that is. That's the other bedroom, but I had to have that for egress windows. Bathroom.